Hi class, today I want to talk about sinfonias, in particular Pergolesi sinfonia called Olimpiade. So let's get started. The first movement is absolutely fast. It goes so fast. And the rhythm that portrays itself throughout this first movement is super fast as well. So I'm going to clap it and see if you can't figure out how it sounds. So here we go. Or I could do it with my mouth. Tum teety tum 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 teety tum 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 tum. So you'll hear that in the first movement. It's really fun. The second movement is absolutely sublime. It's just gorgeous, exquisite. And it has a rhythmic motive that goes like this. And it just goes throughout this whole second movement. It's so beautiful. Here are some of the notes that would show how that rhythm is portrayed. I'm going to play that one more time because it's so short. And then we have, sometimes at the end of the phrases, we have something like this. And so it goes short, long, short, long, short, long through this whole second movement. Another beautiful aspect of this second movement is homophony. And so what we've got are chords on the bottom and then the beautiful melody line just flowing above the top. Now, these chords are actually portrayed by a single note in the bass, wherein the other notes above it are filler notes. So I'm just going to play the bass, and it goes on and on, and it just drones. And somehow Pergolesi was able to put this beautiful filler notes, which is harmony, right? And then the beautiful melody on top of it. And this bass just drones for a while in the second movement. Finally, it goes up to another note. And it's so sublime, and then it goes down to another note. And then it goes up. And then it goes down. So listen for that in the second movement. It's just beautiful. Now the third movement is really fun. It's delightful, it's peppy, and it has a rhythm that just goes tum 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 tum, tum 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 tum. And here's an example of it. And I know that's short, but it really does show forth the beautiful tum 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 tum. And then other parts of the third movement sound like this. And it's so fun. Sometimes the phrases will end this way. I'll play that again. So you have a tum 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 tee tee tee, and then it goes. So it's really fun. So hopefully, as you listen to this, you'll be able to pick apart those elements that I've explained to you, and you'll have a lot more fun listening to it. In fact, you might just get up and start dancing. Who knows? You never know when you're alone, right?